Canopy Connect is an easy and secure way to share your current insurance policy with your insurance agent in 30 seconds or less. First, you'll click Continue to securely share your insurance policy information with your agent. Select your current insurance carrier. You can use the search bar to find it easily. For this example, let's select Progressive. Enter your login credentials for your selected insurance carrier and click Submit. If you don't remember your password, you can easily reset it by clicking Forgot Password. Canopy Connect will securely retrieve your policy information. Your insurance policy has been successfully shared with your agent. Click through to confirm or add drivers. Confirm or add any driver information here that should be listed on your new policy. That's it. Wasn't that easy? A copy of your insurance information has been sent to your insurance agent. If you have another carrier you want to import, click the Import Another Carrier button. Thanks for using Canopy Connect.